Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the battery of the Lenovo Yoga 910. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace your battery. To begin, power off your device completely and unplug it from any power source. Next, place the laptop on a flat surface and turn it upside down. You will notice several screws securing the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. If you're uncomfortable with this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is handled with care. After removing the back cover, locate the battery. It will be clearly visible and typically secured by a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these screws to detach the battery. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips. Next, gently lift the battery out. It's essential to handle it carefully to avoid damaging the connectors. If your battery is stuck, you can use the spudger to gently wiggle it free. Now, you'll want to clean the area where the battery was housed. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This step is crucial for the longevity of your new battery. Now, let's install the new battery. Align it with the connector and gently press it into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's snug but do not over-tighten, as this might damage the battery or the casing. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to perform a quick test. Plug in your device and turn it on. If the laptop powers on and recognizes the new battery, you're good to go. If you experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you won't have to deal with any inconvenient trips to a repair shop. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Once you confirm everything is working, place the back cover back on. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier. Make sure to tighten them evenly to avoid any warping of the cover. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and pricing for any additional services you might need. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery on your Lenovo Yoga 910. Enjoy your device with extended battery life. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.